want to present to you another very handy tool that we can use in our Tvet centers, that is technical and vocational education and training centers. So first and foremost, we need to log in. This is a very handy tool for analyzing the results or generation of student reports after taking exams. All right, so first and foremost we have to log in, and therefore my username here, then you put your password. Okay, so if the password is not right, you will not be able to access the system. My password is right. Okay, so this is the dashboard of this particular system. It's a very handy tool, and you can see the theme is very nice. You can see we have those tools over there. Okay, so you need to add the students first. You need to add your trainees. Okay, so this trainee is the 16th one. Okay, so you put the name, maybe Sophia Namaka. RTQF level, maybe level 3. Sex or gender, female. Okay, then you click submit. So you are sure that it is already added into the system. So that's how you'll be adding them. Okay, the next one you can see it's already auto-generated here, the 7th one. So you can easily search here. For example, the one we just entered is 16. So you can see. So you can easily change any detail there. Okay, then you update. You don't now submit. If you click submit, the system will allow you. So your ID already exists because we have already saved this particular student in the system, so you cannot add him or her. You can only update the details. So you click update, then student updated successful. Okay, you can as well delete. If you want to delete the student, you just search, then you click delete. Okay, so if you want to delete, it will first of all prompt you with a confirmation message. Are you sure you want to delete? No, I don't want to delete. Okay, but you can delete if you like. So that's how you will be managing those students. You can as well delete all the students from the system. Okay, if you want to delete all the students from the system, you simply click delete, and this prompt will pop up asking you, are you sure you want to clear all the students from the system? And this action cannot be reversed. Okay, so we don't want to delete. Okay, clearing data cancel. So that's how you'll be managing your students into this particular system. Then you can add the trainers or class trainer. Okay, you can add a class trainer or trainers. So this is the 7th one. So you just put the name from Bangladesh, then you submit. So trainer added successfully. So that means we have added that particular trainer. We now add the 8th one. So if you want to edit, simply search. If you search, the details will come. Oh, let me search the one we just added, the 7th one. So when you search like that, you can edit. Okay, then you now click edit or update, then train updated successfully. You can as well delete. You'll be prompted to, are you sure you want to delete or not? Be clear, no? Okay, so you can also delete all of them, but this message comes first, right? So that's how you'll be managing your trainers. Then you also manage courses from here. Those courses, the modules, the trades. Okay, so you will put the course type. For example, you can have complementary, general, or specific. Okay, so the complementary course, then you add the course code here. Okay, then you add the course name, then you add the termly weight, maybe out of 30 in a term. Then you just click submit. Okay, so you click submit. The course is successfully saved. Okay, you can also delete or update. So let me update the one we just entered. So it was under complementary. You select the course type, then ID I think was 9. Then you select. Okay, this is the one, not this one. We've added the 10th one, 11th, the one we just added, fellow, under complementary. I'm searching for it. Okay, it's this one here. So you can update anything you want to update, right? Then you click update. You can as well delete. So that's how you'll be managing those courses. You have to add the courses because the system requires them. Then after that particular addition of data into the system, you need to set up your score sheets where you'll be entering marks for term 1, term 2, and term 3. So we have the formative test, we have the integrated test, and then we have comprehensive test. So in the term 1, those 3 must be set up first, then term 2, then term 3. So you just click the one where you want to enter marks. For example, you are in term 1, so you have to create, or you have to set up this sheet where you'll be entering marks. So just click that. So it is creating the mark sheet where you'll be entering marks. Okay, for term 1, that is for formative. After it has created, now you'll be free to enter marks into that particular worksheet, right? So now it has created, you just say okay, right? So that mark sheet has been created. Then you can create whichever mark sheet. We have created one for formative in term 1, then you should create the integrated one also for term 1, then comprehensive test term 1. Okay, then you'll also create for term 2, then term 3, right? That is how you'll be creating those particular so after creating the mark sheets for term 1, term 2, and term 3, then you are free now to come to score entry. So you whichever term you are, you just come and enter marks. So just click this one, then this form will pop up. So this form where you'll be entering marks. So you just select the, here is written select test to load list. So you are in term 1. So for term 1 we have formative, integrated, and comprehensive. Then term 2 we have formative 2, integrated 2, comprehensive 2. Then term 3 we have formative 3, integrated 3, comprehensive 3. So if you are in term 1, just select the appropriate test. For example, formative test, then you generate, and then it's telling you that the number of students in that particular module or in that particular going to sit for that particular test is 16. Then you click OK. Then you can see it has already generated everything. So it's generating for you the names of the students for that sheet and the fields to enter marks. Okay, and you can scroll and scrolling is here. You can scroll. It can create even a million. Can create even a million for a million students, million text fields. Okay, so you just enter marks. But before you enter marks, make sure you select the trade or rather the course or module you want to enter marks. For example, the courses will be loaded here. This way you find them. Okay, so for example, occupation and learning process. Occupation and learning process. Just select that one, and when you select, you can see if there are marks already in the database or in the system. Those marks also will be displayed. So you just enter. But now, because we've added some students, you remember we've added these two students, Jeremy Kodata and Sophia Amaka. They don't have marks. Previous marks are not there for them because we've added new students. So here you just enter the marks. For example, 85. Just enter marks like that. As you read from your mark sheet where you entered the marks manually, you read them from there, then you enter them here. Okay, so okay, we've added marks. Then you will now post the marks. So when you post the marks, we are sure the marks have been successfully posted. Marks have been successfully posted. Okay, so that's how you'll be entering marks. If you want to change you want to go to the next subject or the next module or course, just click that, and the existing marks will also load in the database. Then you just enter marks, then you post. Okay, so that's how the only place. If you have to change the test type, just change like that. Okay, then you generate like that. Then you select the subject, whichever subject you want to enter, then you continue entering, then you post mark. So that's where you do for everything for mark entry. Okay. Then here you can also after entering marks, we'll go to analysis. Okay, we'll go to analysis, but before we go to the analysis, you have to do some settings like the school details. You need to put the school details here. So already existing school details in the database, we have it here. So you can change. You can, these are fictitious, but you can change them. Okay, you can change to whatever you want to change. Okay, so like let me just put mine. So I want to put my school name here. Okay. The district we have Rwanda. Then we can have the email here. Okay. Then we can have the mobile number here. We can have then my country here. You can have, you can choose your country. The name of my country is my country. My country, that's what the name is. Okay. For my case, for your case, you can just put yours. Okay. Then you update. School details have been updated. Then remember, you can also upload the logo. You can also upload the logo if you want to upload the logo. Okay. So when you upload the logo will be displayed in all the documents. Okay. So I don't want to upload the logo. So then we have exam setting as well. You should also change some settings in the exams. Here you have academic year. For example, this one is automatic. It will change with every academic year. It changes itself. Then trade, you select the trade. They are here, all of them. The RTQF level, you will select from here. Yeah, you just select. But remember, when you select the RTQF level, like for example this one, the class level will also change, and then the class level will change. Okay. The sector will also change. Okay. Then you, after doing everything, the class trainer is here because already you've added people in the system. Trainers already you've added, just select. Okay. Then you put the total expected score for that particular trade. Okay. Or for that particular for the termly total or weight. Okay, that one you put here, termly weight, right? Then you click save, then it will save everything. Okay, so that's very important. Then after that, now you need to generate results. So you come here, generate merit list. You just click here. Then you, because we have different exams, you will just select formative, integrated, comprehensive. Those are term one. Those are for term 1. Then the one with 2 embedded, those are term 2. The one with 3 embedded, those are for term 3. Okay. So you select appropriately. If you want to select for term 1, then integrated, you just submit. Then it will generate for you the integrated term 1 merit list. Merit list for integrated term 1. Okay. So here you select the destination folder. Let me put in the desktop. Okay, in the desktop. So that is where we are going to save that particular file. Okay. So, but it will also be displayed for you. You can even print for here if you like. You can print if you like. Okay. Okay, but I don't want to print it. I'm not connected to the printer, so I've just saved it to PDF. Okay. So that is what you will have. So you just select any, whichever you want for term 1, then for term 2 this one, then for term 3 those ones. Just select, then they will be generated. Okay, that's how you generate a merit list. Then you can also generate report cards. So for report cards, you can generate at once. Okay, or you can generate just singles. So let me bulk generate. So So are you sure you wish to generate and save report cards as PDF files in bulk? Yes. So that means I want to print all the report cards and save them if I like. So let me just give it time to save. Okay. So it's saving all the report cards which are there, and you can see it's doing it. So it's doing it in bulk. You don't need to click one by one and then say save. No, this one just saves so you in bulk, and all report cards have been printed. So we look at them. Then you can also generate average lists. Generate average list. This is the list where the student averages for term 1, term 2, and term 3 in those respective tests are found. Okay, so you can generate. So this destination file you'll be told to select. So in this system, there's no way you'll interact, or there's no way you'll enter into the MarkSheets or into the sheets. So which means it has got a very nice user interface. Okay, so this one is the averages. For example, you can have a look at it. So like this is for term 1, this is term 2, term 3, and then yearly. You can see it's averaging, giving averages of all the exams that you've done. Okay, very nice, very nice. So you can print if you like, or you can save it as PDF the way I've saved. Okay, so that's how you generate average list. Okay, then here you can also generate mark lists. For example, you want to give some teachers or yourself a list to enter marks before you put them into the system. You just generate a class list here. You just choose the destination, then it will be generated there. So, and also PDF will be displayed like this. So this one is the displayed one. So the module, the name of the module you put here, the school, and everything you put there. Okay, so you enter marks here. After printing this one, you just enter marks onto them. Okay, so then here you can generate all modules, all module list. Okay, if you want to see the courses you just generate all lists for all the modules at once without you traveling. So you can see all of them have been generated. Okay, so you can see how this system is very nice, very nice. So already we are through, but I want us to just minimize it. Let us just minimize it and then have a look at the generated reports. Okay, so here at you can see we have the course list for complementary modules. Okay, the list is there. Okay, then here we have for general. So you can see these are the results the reports we're generating. This is for general modules. Okay, this is for specific modules. Okay, very nice. Then here also we have student averages. Very nice. Okay, you can see the student averages. Okay, I've just zoomed out. So the student averages are those ones. The ones we just added, the students we've just added, they do not have marks. Then mark lists, where you'll be entering marks and entering into the system. Okay. Then now from there you can also have a look at the report cards. Remember, the report cards also have been auto-generated in bulk. So we have the report cards, you can see they are here. So let me open one, you have a look at them. You can see this one is a very nice design, very nicely designed report card, and you can see it's very nice. Okay, containing all the exams. Okay, all the exams in that particular academic year. So is it not very nice? And you can see it's very nice. So that's the report card. I can zoom it out so that it's displayed whole. So you can see, very nice, very nice, very nice. So okay, all the analysis are put there, very nice. So that's the report card sample. because they're generated, the system will just generate and saving them with the names of the students, okay, the names of the respective students, so you not struggle to know which one is which, okay, if you want to have a look at them individually. And then you can also actually combine these ones into one file, so that when you want to share with somebody or in WhatsApp or whichever place, you can share it as one file. So you come to this particular system, which you can as well install. So this one is okay, it's a PDF merger. So you will just come to my PDF. Then after there, you come to add files. So our files, we are going to add them from where we saved. We save them up on the desktop. So where is the folder? The folder was named report cards here. So you can just select all of them. Then you open. So okay, so this one. Then now already they're here. So then you simply save PDF. Okay. So you can call it my PDF. Then you can also save it where the other one was. You can save it where this one is. Okay, and then save. So from that one, you've already merged all those particular reports have been merged. Let me look at it. It is here. Yeah. So when you look at it, you'll find that it's just now one document containing all the report cards. You can see just one document now containing all the report cards. You can see. Very nice. Is it not nice? Very nice. Very nice. So Tvet, this one is a tool for you. You can use it to actually analyze the students' marks. These are students who have just been entered into the system and they have not set for any exam. Okay, they want to have marks. You can see, very nice. Very nice, very nice, very nice. So you can agree with me that this one is a handy tool for Tvet. Tvet, you can use this one to analyze the students' marks and generate the report cards at once without you traveling. Okay, so you can see they are very nice, very nice, very nice. So we even combined them into one document. Okay, so let me come back to where we are. So that's how you'll be using that particular system. I can see it's very, very nice. Then we can also look at about here, just some brief